What's up guys? Welcome to my very first video here at TheGlam0EffectDesigns. No y'all, welcome to TheGlam0EffectDesigns. My name is Yeda and I'm gonna tell you, if you're new, stop what you're doing right now. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit the little bell button, that way you don't miss none of the videos that I post. Any new DIY projects that you want to do at your own house, hit that bell button so you can see what new flavor I'm bringing to y'all, okay? Also, I am super excited to bring to you my first DIY project. This is something that I worked on before and I got a lot of feedback on my Instagram page. Also, follow me at TheGlam0Chick right there. Follow me at TheGlam0Chick. Also, follow TheGlam0EffectDesigns. First project. DIY floating desk. This is what I'm going to be showing you all how I created. If this is something that you want to see or learn how I created this desk, keep watching the video. Okay, so some of the items that you're going to need for this DIY project is, of course, a shelf. Also, you're going to need 2 brackets. Once you have your 2 brackets, you then want to get some drywall anchors. And of course, I used a drill and a hammer, but you can use either or. And also a leveler, just to make sure that the shelf was even. Okay, so I already have the brackets already drilled into the wall, so they are sturdy. And I have 2 screws at the top of the brackets and then 1 screw at the bottom of the bracket. That way, it won't move as much. So after you have your brackets on the wall, the next thing you want to do is basically just get your shelf, which I have here, and you're going to take the shelf and go ahead and place it onto the 2 brackets. And you want to make sure you have the same amount on each side. That way the brackets ain't going to be like okay. So as you can see, we got a little float here. Also, you can up underneath, and I'm gonna get you guys a little closer. And if you want, you can put a screw right up underneath here. That way the desk won't like pull forward. As you can see, it kind of rocks there. So what you want to do is actually get some screws and put them up underneath there, and that way the screw will go through the shelf, but it won't strip through. If you have a especially if you have a small screw, you'll be fine. Alright guys, that wraps up this quick DIY tutorial on how to create this floating desk for your office, your room, your apartment, wherever you want to put it. It's very useful. Also, I didn't get to mention this, but this project only cost me $15. Yes, $15, y'all. Go to your local hardware store, whether it's Lowe's, Home Depot, Menards, whatever you have in your area. That's where I went to. Of course, I already had some of this stuff at my house, like a drill, a hammer, a couple nails, but I did purchase some new nails. Also, I purchased the brackets and the shelf. You can find this shelf in the closet organizer aisle at any of those stores. They already have them. Whatever size you want, they have them there. All you have to do is just go and pick it up. Also, hit that bell button. That bell button is going to show you every time I post a new video. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you really enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and leave a comment. If there's any other videos that you would like me to do, leave a comment down below as well. But I hope you guys enjoy my very first DIY project. I definitely will be bringing you more and more and more. Some tours of like rooms, bathrooms, more DIY projects, like a lot. It's a lot. But they're all coming to this channel. So you gotta go ahead and subscribe. If you're not subscribing, you're gonna miss out. You're gonna miss out, and you're gonna pay regular price for all of the items that you want in your house. And who wanna pay regular prices though? But until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.